I'm here with Paul Van Oat, the manager of Putnam County. And he was the first to bring lithified technologies US to Georgia with two LithTec full depth reclamation projects.
The challenges in dealing with paving and county roads is there's always more roads than money available to fix them. We're always looking for a long-term solution rather than a temporary fix. So with cost increasing, resulting in less road paving, I've been aggressively searching for options and other solutions, and LithTec jumped to the top. I don't know if your audience would know, but roads fail from the bottom up, and the full depth reclamation process probably should occur on more county roads than it actually does, but doesn't because it's inherently expensive. The county understands that if we can fix something once and not have to go back to it, there's a cost savings to it. And generally, the issues with going over top of a full depth reclamation rather than if you were to repave it just for expediency's sake or for political will or just to get it done, those problems still exist. So a full depth reclamation project gives you the opportunity to build a new road on a very solid footing that will be durable and last for years. I would describe the difference between LithTec and cement saying cement, it will increase the load bearing capacity of the base material. However, the stronger it is, the more microfractures it has and becomes brittle, causing shrinkage and reflective cracking. LithTec is specially made or custom made for our exact road material, and LithTec designs the chemistry to harden this, our base material. It's unique that it has a very high strength, but remains ductile or resilient and doesn't cause cracking, reflective cracking in the asphalt. Since a LithTec treated base can match the strength of the asphalt in an inch for inch exchange of thickness, all we need is a 2-inch course of asphalt on top for a sacrificial wear layer. And that's much easier to repair and maintain over the years with the LithTec base being rock solid. The Lithified Technologies is the supplier of the LithTec material. The process starts with their geotech section taking, in our case, it was 8 5-gallon buckets of material where they did their material testing and customizing the formula just for our material. We have red clay. We have maybe some aggregates. Some of our roads that we did were trickier with no aggregate, just asphalt on top of dirt, which happens. With the LithTec treatment, there was no such guesswork as to what was going to happen when the road was fixed. Lithified performed the field testing during installation, ensuring we're hitting the numbers in the field that were achieved in the lab. In addition, we hired Atlas to perform the field testing, and as it turned out, Atlas Laboratories did all the testing over the years for the Texas DOT and put the LithTec material on the Texas DOT approved product list. One of the more interesting things we heard from the contractors in the field is that they can't wait for this material to get spec'd in lieu of cement and concrete because there are issues in getting concrete a few years ago where there's a big delay. And this material is ready for paving in hours and not days. And there's no line of trucks or aggregate coming, tying up traffic, aggravating the drivers. The communication with your department to make sure everything went smooth and easy was remarkable. So DOT was great. Atlas Engineering, Atlanta Paving, all the teamwork that happened with this was seamless. It was incredible. This is only my second endorsing letter of recommendation, if you would, to a vendor or contract in my career. This process has amazed me so much. And the performance that we go out and look at every day is better than it was advertised. It made a world of difference to the people who drive on this road every single day. I have gotten nothing but compliments coming from this. And I try to throw it all back on you, but it's once their eyes glaze over when I start talking to them about this road is hard as a rock. It'll be here longer than the pyramids. This place has done, they have taken one of my biggest cost nightmares and now turn it into a solvable math problem that the county taxpayer can pay for and afford, and not let these roads go away because we don't have the money to fix them. There shouldn't be anything that goes wrong with these the rest of my life. And to do something like that and to be one and done for, the next 20, 30, 40 years, that just puts the county in a much better position not to have to pave these roads or touch them or maintain them unless they need just, a little asphalt on top or some striping. So your advertisement is true. It eliminates a lot of long-term cost and just puts very nominal maintenance numbers on these roads for years to come. And that's huge. So this is such a worthwhile benefit to the state of Georgia. I'm really excited to see just how much money folks can start saving now, because this is a budget buster. Every single time we get to a road paving project, it seems that costs have constantly gone up. And if there's an opportunity to save money and this will translate statewide, I'm proud to be at the forefront of trying to get this done. Thank you so much, and thank your team.